Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to efficiently clear a bit in C++. We're actually going to create a macro out of this, so let's start writing that. Define clear bit. And then we need to first take in the bit field, which can be essentially anything that is or can be converted into an integer. And then the bit index, which is the index of the bit that we want to clear. And then let's write the implementation. I like to surround stuff in macros with parentheses, because if it includes expressions, it might mess with the operator precedence. So let's write bit field equals, and then bit field again, a bitwise and a bitwise not, and then the bit index. So let's go over what's happening here. First of all, we flip the bit with the bitwise not operator. So the bit that we want to clear becomes 0, and all other bits become 1. Then we bitwise AND together that with the bit field. So every bit that is 1 in both bit field and the result of the flipped bit will remain 1. And since the result of the flipped bit will have a 0 at the bit that we want to clear, that bit will always be 0, regardless of if that bit is a 1 or 0 in bit field. And then we assign the result of that bitwise AND back to bit field. And that's how you clear a bit in C++. That's it for this video everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content and let me know what I should do next in the comments below. See you in the next video.